Howdy folks, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are loading the washing machine. A little bit of something different for you all to enjoy. A little out of the ordinary, but oh well. It is what it is. At least it's content. At least it's content for you all to enjoy, if you so choose. Now, I'm not going to be able to get any content unloading this when it's done because I'm not pulling somebody else to help me with that. Forget it. So you'll get what content you get from this. If you like it, you like it. If you don't, you don't. Oh well, 'tis what it is. To each his own. This is project number I don't know what. Anyway, it is what it is for now. There ain't much I'm gonna do about it. Show you our next project that we have in mind. Once we get this going. And no, for the record, I did not check my stuff prior to this. So, whatever happens, happens. It's not the first time I haven't checked my stuff. Probably ain't gonna be the last. I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and see you on the next one, folks. Thank you for watching.